In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account in just a few minutes. Setting up a PayPal account is a seamless process, and by the end of this video, you will be ready to make online transactions safely and effortlessly. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to PayPal's homepage by typing in paypal.com. Once you're on their homepage, look for the sign up button. It's usually located towards the top right corner of the page, just a click away to begin your journey. Now that you've clicked the sign up button, you will need to decide on the type of account that best suits your needs. PayPal offers two account types. There's a personal account, ideal for individuals wanting to shop online, send money to friends or family, and make secure payments. Then there's the business account, which provides tools and options for businesses to collect payments and manage customer transactions. Choose the one that aligns with your purpose. Next up, let's get your details in there. Here, you are required to input your personal information. Start with your email address, make sure it's one that you check regularly, as this will be crucial for confirmations. Go ahead and fill in your first and last name, address, and phone number. Finally, create a strong, secure password. Remember, a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters will ensure your account is well protected. Once you've filled out your details, PayPal will send a confirmation email to your inbox. Keep an eye out for this, as it's a crucial step in verifying your account. Head over to your email and locate the message from PayPal. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Inside the email, you will find a link to verify your email address. Clicking on this link will confirm that you have access to the given email address and complete the initial phase of your setup. To fully activate your account and start sending or receiving money, you will need to link a bank account or a credit or debit card. This step ensures you have a verified payment method associated with your PayPal account, which is vital for transactions. You will find a straightforward guide within your PayPal account prompting you through the bank, Jesa, card linking process. Once your payment method is verified and linked, your PayPal account is officially ready to be used. You can now send and receive money, make purchases online, and manage your finances with just a few clicks. You're now part of a global network that makes transactions easier than ever before, and there you have it, a fully set up PayPal account ready for use in no time. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.